Hello and welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. Today I'm pleased to offer this 2019 69 plate Mazda CX-3 SKYACTIV Sport Nav Plus 2 litre petrol. Having had 2 owners from new and covered 35,000 miles, the vehicle comes with a full service history as well as features including heated front seats, a heated steering wheel and front and rear parking sensors. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk or call us on 0161 494 2113. Thank you for watching.